Students, now we are going to learn what are acids, bases, and salts. Acids, bases, and salts. Regarding these three concepts, we have come across in seventh class and eighth class like that. But as as I brief the three, acids are sour in taste and they turn blue litmus to red. Acids are sour and they turn blue litmus to red. Whereas bases are bitter and they turn red litmus into blue. Bases are bitter and they turn blue litmus to red. Actually, what is happening is we prefer antacid tablets or antacid liquid for those are suffering with the acidity problem. If we eat much, whether it is non-vegetarian or whatever it may be, they they suffer with acidity problem. So they prefer to take antacid. Antacid means what? It is an anti-acid. So it is an anti-acid. So it will neutralize the reaction so that the food get digested easily and it gives a very good relief for such kind of people. So if we give examples for the antacids, the eno and gelusil, diazine, all this comes under this category, antacids. Okay, and litmus by nature is a natural indicator. That is why we use here litmus to test the acids and the bases. Okay, litmus. Turmeric is another such indicator. Turmeric, everybody have turmeric in their kitchens. Usually, while cooking, our mothers and grandmothers used to apply turmeric because turmeric is a very good antibiotic also. If we got injuries on our skin, certainly if you apply turmeric, that is better. Instead of going to the doctor, it gives very good relief. Turmeric. So here, these indicators generally they are available in the nature. They are available in the nature. It is just like litmus, red cabbage, turmeric water, and this colorful plants, flowers. They are used to test the acid base. Whether they are used as indicators to test whether it is acid or base. So they are used mainly in this kind of test, litmus test, as indicators. Okay, these are natural indicators. Then what about the synthetic indicators? Synthetic indicators we can prepare by ourselves in a laboratory. Synthetic means our prepared indicators. Synthetic indicators, as an example, I wrote here methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein, these two are very good synthetic indicators for testing acid-base salt qualities. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn how acid and base get neutralized each other, and if acid is mixed with metals, non-metals, metallic oxides, metallic hydroxides, what kind of compounds are formed, and resultant qualities, what are the qualities they exhibit after reaction, and all these things we are going to learn. Actually, litmus is the word comes from this, you see, lichen. Lichen is a Thallophyta category plant. This litmus is the collected solution from this kind of plant only. So litmus, here we are using this litmus, its color is purple in color. The color of litmus is purple in color. So hydrangea, petunia, geranium, these are some other kinds of plants from of which their flowers, their leaves are used as indicators also in testing acids, bases, and salts. Okay, these are the fundamental concepts at the beginning. Before going deeply into the next session, I just presented what are acids and what are bases. Once again, you just go through clearly in your textbook. It's good. Thank you.